Hello everybody, we are glad to welcome you on a HardReset.Info YouTube channel, and in this video I would like to demonstrate how you can link Twitter to Instagram. So to begin with, launch your Instagram account, then open your, profile page. After that, tap at this little hamburger menu at the top right corner, go for settings, in here enter the account category, onwards go for the sharing to other apps option, Twitter. At the following page, enter your Twitter credentials, which I will quickly do off the screen. Then, email address, then password obviously. After that, you will need to tap at the Authorize App button. Probably we will need to enter our credentials once again, so that's not a big deal at all. I'll just do it all over again. So start with entering your email address or username or phone number that is linked to your Twitter profile. Then enter. Sometimes like this additional little check can pop up as well, in which you should either enter your username or phone number. So I'll go with username since I have no phone number linked to my Twitter profile. So I'll just enter the username that I have. Done. Next. Then enter your password all over again. Press done. In here at the bottom of the page, tap at the login button. Then once again tap at the Authorize App. And as you can see, we have successfully linked our Twitter and Instagram accounts. Alrighty, so that will be it for this video, guys. Thanks for watching, thanks for your attention, and bye bye.